Good tutoring day, and the devil of the exercise. Cribs on the Redeemer is located in the Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Is made might. Beyond mother. I am waiting to you for Chris the Remember in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I am working with my wife and my children in the fall where are the feet of the Chris and the Remember. If it be happy, it is a very nice place where you feed small next to one of the 7 words of the modern world. In reading, like the landscape, although I don't like the water side, it is very hot. I am dressing in hot shorts and shirts. Where miss you a lot. I kiss. Thank you.